So for your collage, you will need to show me texture and blending of colored pencils. So I think a great way to show texture is simply by drawing the lines of your leaves. So remember, friends, we are drawing from observation by looking at the leaves. So that's drawing what we see. You do not have to draw the leaves the same way that we drew them yesterday when I taught you how. I want you to literally just look at what you see and try to draw the leaves, okay? You can use the pens just for the outlines like this. We are not going to use the pens to shade things in. That is where you are going to use colored pencil. So again, just use the pens for outlines. You do not have to use them. The only place where I should see pen is on your paper, nowhere else. And Miss Oberg can take the pens from you if they are not being used correctly, okay? But once you have the outline of your leaf and you have the texture including the veins, then I would like you to practice colored pencil blending. So you can use whatever colors you would like. It does not have to be realistic, but to do this, you want to shade gently using light pressure. So pressure is how hard you press down with something. So notice how I'm just pressing nice and light so that I'm able to layer colored pencil on top of it. Now you can do this kind of however it works for you, but what I like to do is I like to do kind of like patches of colors. Again, just pressing down lightly. And then I can go in with other colors and see how those colors mix together. So remember, if you look at the color wheel, looking at colors that are near or next to each other, you can find what colors are going to blend together best. Colors across from each other are going to turn into brown, which is fine, but just know that the color wheel is a helpful tool for when you're wanting to blend colors. So now I'm just going right on top of, and in other places, my red again lightly to show some blending of colors. Notice how the colors come together nice and soft, and I don't see big contrast or a big difference between the colors. They kind of just blend or fade into each other. And again, you do not have to do this realistic looking. I do want you just to get some practice coloring in, showing blending. So do that for all of your leaves. You can come up with a color theme, or you can try different things for all of them. But that is how you will color in all of your leaves. Okay, just going to show you a few more examples. You do not have to draw your leaves today using pen. You can use colored pencil like I did here, or regular pencil like I did here. But we are using today's class time and tomorrow's class to continue to draw leaves, okay? So you guys will have 2 to 3 papers. Remember, we're going to cut these out, so don't make a drawing you really like on the back side of your paper, or you will have to choose, okay? So you can use your whole paper. You don't have to use every single leaf you make. For example, if I decide I don't want to use this one, I can still keep making leaves around here because I will be cutting them out eventually. So practice that colored pencil technique. Draw your leaves from observation. Do your best. You are going to do amazing. I know it can be a little bit scary, but you will find you will do a great job on your own. You also could kind of come up with other leaves if you have a leaf from your head too. So have fun with this. I can't wait to see your work, and I can't wait until you get to put your whole collage together. Thanks for watching. Have a great work day.